Hey my creatives, it's your girl Tina. Welcome back to the channel, family. Hope all is well with you all and pray that you all had a blessed and joyous Christmas. Listen, I am here because it's time for the second installment of the Through Your Eyes swap with my girl Tamika, who is Scrapdaworld here on the YT. And guess what? I have her kids that she sent me for our January. Is this January? Yes. For our January installment. So it was a 3-month swap. We started in December. And now this is what I have to create with for the January. Oh, that's so pretty. You don't want to open it. This is what I'm going to create with for our second project, which is coming up in January. And we are to create a door holder. So she sent me everything in the kit to create with, and I choose what type of door holder that I want to do. All right, so I love this, and gold is my choice of color. Between silver and gold, I love me some gold. Gold just makes me smile, y'all. It makes me happy, y'all. All right, I just got finished looking at some Instagram posts where they had the black and white buffalo check and the gold entwined. Oh, those are so nice. So this is our January kit. I love her packaging. So let's just create. Now this is not glitter. Thank you, Jesus. Woo. I was looking at it real close like, oh, is that glitter? This is not glitter. This is some type of filler. I like it. It's sparkly. This would be perfect for like a wedding reception. For the tables, the centerpieces, that would make beautiful centerpieces. I'm going to save this, because, honey, this is going into a vase. Oh, I love this. Okay, Tamika, where you get this from? I never seen these before, but I sure do like them. I'm trying to preserve them. I like it. It's some type of paper. Curled up pieces of paper is what it seems like. I'm sorry if y'all don't like the noise, but I was trying to get all of the little confetti. I guess that's what you're supposed to call it, to stay in the bag. Oh, I'm going to be using that. And then I love this gold paper that this is like strips of paper. Oh, I love it. That is so cute. All right. I don't mind that popping around. That can pop all around. That can pop. But that glitter, whoo, child, I can't take that glitter. Let's see. I like this this paper. Okay, let's just put everything over here. We'll come back. Ooh, some more gold. That's my color. Love me some gold, honey. Honey, honey, honey. All right, let's put this up over here, back in the bag. No, I won't put it back in the bag. Let me just lay it to the side. All right, y'all see all the sparkles? Okay. All right, let's see now what our girl sent us. Let's start off with these flowers. Absolutely love these. Love the colors. Yes, honey. We don't need to open those. Oh, she sent me some metal pieces. Oh, I can't open this. I don't want this to be gone. Oh, I'm going to try to open it because they're kind of large. I see some small pieces, but I want to look at the big pieces. Okay, so this is a brad. And it says love. Oh, I like. All right, these are some butterfly stickers. These are those filigree, I believe that's what they're called, pieces. Oh, yeah, I love this. Love. Oh, look. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, yes. I could create. Honey. Hunty. Can y'all see? Is that better for you to see the pieces better than in my hand? Oh my gosh, and she sent so many. Look at that gold leaf. Love it. Another butterfly. This is nice. Okay. This is nice. That's a little label. Then we got some wooden buttons. We got a black tassel. I like that. Here's a rose. And then we got some little brads. And there's another button. Oh, Tamika, honey, I love. And then I got brads. Let me pour them into this on the sheet. Love that. Ooh, I like that. Let me move my little stuff out the way. Make room. All right. So, okay, we got all of our metal embellishments. Moving right along, we got some paper embellishments. Okay. Keep life simple. We got a leaf, a rose. Okay. We got a bee. Oh, look at the bee. I really like that. A honey bee. And then we got a wonderful life ticket. All right. Okay. Let's see. We got some sequins. Oh, I love this. Look at this green. Green sequins, you all. I like that. She sent me some black and gold. Oh, I love me some black and gold. And you know Audrey, who is so good she loves black and gold too. That's her favorite. Look at that gold. And that's like a yellow gold. I love that sequence. Okay. Oh, she sent me a little tube of the little things. Thank you, honey, because, baby, this will be preserved. Look, I'm opening this one. I really like these. Thank you so much, ma'am. I want to know about them, where you got that from. I need that in my life. Okay, here we go. She sent dies. Okay. Oh, let's see. Because I am a die lover. Tamika is a cutting machine lover. But I am a die lover. I just love it. Oh, look at the heart. Yes. This is a label. Yes. Here's another label. Oh, yes. This is a flower. And then here's a tag. All right. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, yes. I love that. I got vision. I see some things. Oh, look at the burlap. Let's open these. Oh, my goodness. These are too cute. Texture elements. You all, this is burlap, butterflies, and flowers. Look at the butterflies. Oh, I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. Gold, honey. Gold. I tell you, you can't go wrong with gold. She sent me some adhesive. Oh, honey, you can't go wrong with gold. She sent me some foam dots and some adhesive. Thank you, ma'am. All right, so we good with the adhesive. So here is some trims and ribbons. Let's open this. Oh, my God. Look at those burlap butterflies. Simply gorgeous. All right. So she sent me all right, she sent me, this is like that seafoam blue. Is what this looks like. It looks like a seafoam blue, very light. Then she sent me some white trim with the little flowers. I love that. She sent me some white trim, seafoam and white. Okay. Oh, look at this little applique piece. That's cute. She sent me some black trim. Right. Yes, hunty. This is like a twine. Yes, hunty. Black and gold, honey. You cannot go wrong. I love this. Oh, it is wide. Oh, I love that. Oh, look how it's laying on this gold, baby. Bye, baby. Yes. Tamika, honey, now you done outdid yourself now. Oh, yes. Tina can create. All right, let's see what else we have over here. This is for the banner, honey. The door hanger. Glass pearls. So elegant and ladylike. Then we got some paper flower stickers. Okay. Put this underneath here. Oh yes, honey, because you can make these different colors. You could spray them. You could paint them. Yeah. Those are perfect. Then she sent me a set of, let me find a piece of paper so you all we could read what it says. Here we go. You are amazing with hugs, love. You're so sweet. Hello, little one. Live life to the full. Love you always. Today the day. Special moments. Believe in yourself. Life is but a dream. It's a party. Happy thoughts. And these are like stickers. Clear stickers. Yes, ma'am. Those are beautiful. And then we got a sheet of bling. Look at all the bling. Yes, black honey. Yes, yes, yes. And then lastly, put that right there. Let's see what paper we will be working with. Here we go. What paper she sent for me to work with. I'm loving this gold, honey. Oh, yes. Beautiful. So we see the gold. Then we got some cream. Good, thick, heavyweight. This is basil paper. We got some white basil. This is like that sage green that goes kind of like with that green seafoam trim she sent in the package that I showed y'all. Here's some green. Oh, love this page. Very different and I like it. Oh, I like this. I like that. All right, here goes some gold and like a peachy, orangey. Oh, I can't kind of put my finger on the color, but I love it with the foil dots in it. All right, here's like a wood grain. Here's a black gingham. Here we have another sheet with the flowers. So these probably came from maybe the same collection, but it has the black background. And then this is a dark, I want to say black, but it have a hint of like a green, dark green. But maybe this is black. I think this is black. Black cardstock. black cardstock. All right, so those are the papers that I have to create with. This is my kit for January. We're to make door hangers. So you all stay tuned because we'll be back on Sunday to reveal our door hangers to you. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Go over to Tamika's channel, who is Scrapdaworld, and see what I sent her. And I hope she likes my kit. I'm telling you, I already got ideas going through my mind of what my door hanger is going to look like. Till next time, you all stay blessed. Wash them hands, hot water, and soap every 15 minutes. And be safe. Wear those masks out there, you all. All right, we're getting ready to cross over from 2020 into 2021. And if it's the Lord's will, we'll make it. But stay safe in the meantime. Till next time, you all keep creating. And I'll catch y'all on the next video. Love y'all. Tell me what y'all think about her kit. What you think I should do. What paper you think that I should choose. Leave it down in the comments. Talk to y'all.